Namaskar. Erectile dysfunction is one of the major medical issues being faced by the generation these days. It happens because of the lifestyle, also because of the sedentary work culture, also because of the stress which we are generating day by day.
Also, ladies facing gynec issues, menstrual irregular cycles, cramps with menstrual cycles. And for controlling those things, for curing those issues, there are few asanas. We see how we should go step by step in those asanas. So, stand on the toes and distance in both the knees. With breath, stretch your hands in shoulder level, palms facing up. And stretch your both the arms on the side as if they are touching to the wall, looking straight ahead and doing long breathing till the abdomen. And there should be minimum 5 to 7 breaths. With exhale, bring the hands down, knees together. Start again. With inhale, spread your both the hands with also the knees. Feel the expansion of a complete chest region. Fingers are tight. Even knees are on the side. Experiencing stretch on lower back. Tightness on lower abdominal organs, which is increasing blood flow in that particular region and do healing of those organs. With exhale, release the posture. This asana we should perform minimum 3 times. And increase breathing count in those postures. That is very much important. Then only it gives full strength of oxygenated blood to do that healing.
Completely. Having done this particular asana, we do a complementary posture. In that, in the first one, we have expanded and given the blood circulation. In the second posture, now we are going to compress all those areas. Again, you are
Standing on toes, knees together, with the breath, raising both the hands up. And slowly, steadily going down, bending down, maintaining balance on toes. Lift your stomach, compress with thighs, till chest. Both the hands ahead, fingers pointing up, facing between palms. Doing full breathing. With breath, stretch your hands up. With breathe out, bring your hands down. Changing posture, and every asana we should perform from first step to last step. Go on toes, balance yourself in this posture, knees together, with breath, raising both the hands up. They are fixed with the head. With exhale, first your lower back going down, then chest, and they are touching, pressing with the thighs. Our face is in between both the palms. Holding posture and doing pranayama in this posture gives full pressure and massage on those organs in lower abdomen. And that's how it heals those issues, and from the root, it removes root cause of any irregularities in those functions.
This particular pair is one of the excellent ones to take care of the erectile dysfunction as well as the gynec issues with the ladies about the problems in the menstrual cycle at any age. Continue watching this particular channel for many such videos, and more importantly, what we need is suggestion from you. Should you have any particular medical issue, if you ask us, we'll try and give a solution of that using acupressure and yoga.
Subscribe our channel. Also press the bell icon so that you will get the messages from us.
Namaskar.